Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful sheen to this watch. And we have that really, really nice, like, kind of like a little darker blue dial. Hey guys, this is Blake. We're going to be doing an intake video today of a 2025 Tudor Black Bay 68 blue dial. So the purpose of this video is we're going to be going over the conditions of the watch. We'll be going over the watch's functions, as well as any accessories that come along in the box. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's going to come in this nice white outer sleeve. Here's our standard medium-sized Tudor box. Let's go over this top lid. We'll get the sleeve and the lid out of the way for now. You got some black foam inserts here. We'll go ahead and get that out. And there's our inner box. And let's open it up, see what we got inside. So there it is. It's the Black Bay 68. Let's go and remove the watch and pillow from the box. And we'll start off with a nice little pillow roll here. So we have the nice little Tudor logo right there on our clasp. Looking really, really nice. Got a factory sticker right there. Really good. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful sheen to this watch. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go to remove the pillow from the watch. Start with the conditions test. So we have this really nice vertical brush finish on our links as well as our lugs. Absolutely beautiful stainless steel. We have this really nice black steel bezel, gorgeous sapphire crystal, and we have that really, really nice, like kind of like a little darker blue dial, but looks really, really good. Looks like a navy blue dial. Here's our bottom left. We have a nice high polish finish on the side with that brush finish on top. Here's our crown side. I'm sorry, case side. Case side's got an even high polish finish throughout. Looking really nice. Here's the top left. Top left, we have that high polish on the side, brush finish on top. Here's the top of the case, just like the bottom. We have that beautiful vertical brush finish on our links as well as our lugs. Here's the top right. Top right, we got a high polish on the side, brush finish on top. Here's the crown side, some slight smudging just from handling. But we have a really beautiful brush, a high polish finish throughout, and then that gorgeous design on the crown there. Looks really, really nice. Love it. And finally, here's our bottom right. We have a nice high polish on the side, brush finish on top. Really clean. Let's go ahead and examine our clasp. We have that nice vertical brush finish throughout. And then on the inside right here, we have a nice high polish finish. And on the inside of the entire clasp, we have a nice high polish finish throughout. Nice Tudor right there. Let's look at our case back. Case back, we have this really nice factory sticker here on the back. It's really, really good. Nice even brush finish throughout the case back. Next, let's go ahead and go over the functions. So this does have a micro adjustment, I think. Yeah, so we do have these little ribs on the inside. So what you do is you pull down and you can slide the slider here to make some adjustments. So I have it all the way extended. We'll go ahead and push it in all the way. I'm going to close this clasp and let's go over the rest of the functions. So we do have our hours hand, minutes hand, seconds hand, and our rotating bezel. I usually like to start with the bezel here. It's got a really smooth rotation to it, nice and crisp. A little too smooth for my liking with my gloves on, but you know, I think it looks great. We'll go ahead and unscrew our crown. And we'll go ahead and do a nice 24-hour sweep. Even though there's no date function on this watch, we want to make sure our hour hand still points to the hour marker when the minute hand is at 12, and that the hour hand's in between hour markers when the minute hand's at 6. That's good. Let's go and stop right here. And then while this is running, we'll go over the rest of the set contents in the box. So we do have our warranty card, we have our manual, we do have our warranty booklet, and then back here it looks like we have a white hang tag. So let's go ahead and make sure the white hang tag matches our serial. So we do have the correct serial and the correct white hang tag. That's beautiful. Let's go ahead and turn off the light and test off the watch's lume function. So we have a nice minty green lume here. All of your hour markers can be lit up, including the top of our bezel marker. We We also have our hours hand, minutes hand, and seconds hand lit up. So let me go ahead and turn off the black light, and then you can see the watch's natural lume. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.